You're watching another Abacus unboxing video. We have something really special today. I'm Ravi.
I'm Chris.
Chris, where is it?
Well,
it's by a smartphone company,
yup.
but it's not a smartphone.
And guess which smartphone company is this?
Which smartphone company makes lots of random other stuff? While you guess, I'll go get it. Ta-da!
It's so huge.
What is it?
Okay, so as you can see, it's by Xiaomi.
As you can see by the little Mi at the front here. Let's open it up so you can see the front of the box. It is Xiaomi's Laser Home Cinema Projector, which is why it is so enormous.
Wow.
150-inch screen it projects.
Really?
That's what it says. Don't look at me, man. This is easily the most boring user manual we've ever had here, but on the flip side,
cheap.
Well, I mean, the rest of the product doesn't really feel cheap, right? So,
okay.
But on the bright side, this is the first actual manual we've seen. It's actually got instructions in it, as opposed to
you don't have to go online to read. You can read on this.
Well, let's open it up. Let's open it up.
Okay.
And
it's white.
It's white. Pick it up.
It looks like an Xbox.
It looks, yeah, you're right. It's a little bit like an Xbox One S. Pick it up.
My God, this
box out
thing is so heavy.
I'm gonna move this out of the way.
Look at this, guys. Wow. So,
it's a projector, but it's a short throw projector, right? It's a little bit dirty, unfortunately. That's a little disappointing that it comes out. Oh, let me just move this out of the way. That it comes out of the box like that with all the dirt in the grill, because it's kind of hard to clean that out. How would you clean that stuff out of the grill?
No, just leave it there.
But then that's really dirty. But it's a short throw projector, as you can see, because unlike those projectors where the lens is at the front, for instance, here it's down in there. The actual projecting comes from here. So you'd stack it up kind of just say here, and it push against the wall like that, right? Like a short throw projector.
There's a whole bunch of ports on the back.
Whole bunch of ports on the back. 3 HDMI.
3 HDMI, wow.
Well, this one is an HDMI ARC port, which is an audio return channel. So
what does that mean?
It means it can control, well, not control. It means, so I have a soundbar at home.
Yep.
I'd plug the soundbar into that.
Oh, okay.
And it would give audio that way. It also has optical. You can also put a headphone jack and microphone jack in case, I don't know, you want to karaoke or something. I don't know. Ethernet port. This bit feels a bit cheap. This panel, right? This kind of removable port panel. It's a bit, because I guess you must be able to take it out because look, it's a bit squishy. You see?
Yes. Let me see. It says Class 1 laser product.
I mean, it is a laser projector, so that does make sense.
It's pretty interesting. It says manufactured by Mi.
Of course, because this is Xiaomi's ecosystem products, right?
Oh, yes.
This is not technically it's a Xiaomi product, but it's also by their ecosystem. It's branded Xiaomi, but it's made by another company that they may have a stake in. I don't know the exact relation to that stake. Here's the remote control while you play with that. Remote control.
The remote control.
It's a Bluetooth remote. You can see by the little Bluetooth logo at the back, and also because there's no infrared sensor on the top of it, which makes sense. Well, it makes sense for a projector because projectors aren't always tucked away in plain sight, so you want it to be Bluetooth. Got a big sort of big wheel. It appears to have voice functionality because there's a microphone button on it.
Yep.
A colorful microphone button like the Google Assistant.
Yeah, the Google Assistant.
Yeah, I mean pretty standard remote control. What batteries it take? 2 AAA.
I prefer the one on the Apple TV.
With a rechargeable battery.
Yes.
You might be the only person who prefers the one on the Apple TV.
Why? It looks good.
It looks good, but it doesn't feel very good, right?
Oh, it's small, yeah.
So this projector, though, is actually only a 1080p projector, right? It's not a 4K projector?
It's Full HD and...
Which means 1080p.
It's not 4K at all.
Yeah. And it can do 150 inch screen.
Yes.
It can do that at a distance of less than half a meter, apparently.
That's really close.
Yes. That's great because, back in the day, you used to projectors being sitting way far back to produce a bigger image. Whereas this only needs to be say, well, half a meter would be what? Say from here to... I can't really do distances.
I think it's about here.
Yeah, but from there, right?
Yes. And
it just needs
really close, man.
I mean, then it makes it more like a TV in the sense that you can put it right up against, almost right up against the wall. That's great.
I think it fits like for small living rooms.
And it also means it's easier for us to test here in the office because we can just put it right up against the wall and go nuts.
Yes.
Great. What do you think of it?
This is a product that fits for Hong Kong people, I guess. Like because homes at Hong Kong is really small. And with this, that you get a 150 inches screen in your small living room. Wow.
Yeah. And I mean, we've seen short throw projectors before. It's not the only short throw projector out there, but it is one of the cheaper ones.
Yes.
Of course, it does only do 1080p. Actually, I want to see how bright is the projector. I actually don't know how bright it is. No, I don't see the brightness in this.
Nope.
But yeah, like you're right. Short throw projectors make projectors more practical. So yeah, so we can't wait to actually try this out and see what it does.
Yep.
And see how well it performs. Because I'm really annoying about brightness and making sure there's a good image. I'm still annoyed it's not 4K. But
I can't wait to watch Avengers on it.
That's true. I can't wait to play Mario Kart on it. So. Anyway, we gotta play Mario Kart. See you guys in a bit. I'm Ravi.
This is Chris.
See you next time.
See you next time.